Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get more throttle response. We'll start with some simple, yet effective, steps you can take right away. A clean air filter is crucial for your engine to breathe properly, directly impacting how quickly it responds. Also, don't overlook your spark plugs. Fresh ones ensure efficient combustion. Finally, properly inflated tires reduce rolling resistance, making your vehicle feel more responsive overall. These initial checks are quick and can make a noticeable difference. Moving on to some performance upgrades, a cold air intake system can significantly improve airflow to your engine, leading to a sharper throttle feel. Another option is a throttle body spacer, which helps create a more turbulent air charge, improving atomization and response. For manual transmission vehicles, a lighter flywheel reduces rotational mass, allowing the engine to rev up much faster, giving you that immediate power delivery you're looking for. Proper maintenance and tuning are vital for sustained throttle response. Cleaning your fuel injectors ensures a consistent and efficient spray pattern, directly impacting how smoothly your engine runs and responds. An ECU tune, or engine control unit tune, can recalibrate your vehicle's computer for better performance, often yielding a significant improvement in throttle sensitivity. Don't forget your transmission fluid. Fresh fluid ensures smooth shifts and efficient power transfer. For those seeking even more, advanced considerations can take your throttle response to the next level. A performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, allowing your engine to exhale more freely and respond quicker. Reducing unsprung weight with lighter wheels and tires makes a substantial difference in acceleration and overall feel. For automatic vehicles, a performance torque converter can allow the engine to reach higher RPMs before engaging, providing a more immediate launch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.